Hello everyone, today this is Aditya from Programmers Hub and today we are here to learn Python and Python we will learn about while loop. In our previous tutorial we have talked about for loop and what is looping. Now in this tutorial we will talk about while loop and working with while loop. For this I have to write a script. Before writing a script, I should tell the basic requirement of a while loop. The first requirement is the variable initialization. The second requirement is the condition. And the third requirement is the variable updation. If the variable will not update it, then the loop will work infinitely. Okay. For this, I should write a code here. Okay. This first of all we should take a variable I and initialize a value 1 to it. In this code we will use while loop for printing the table of 2. Okay, let us see how we can do it. Here we will initialize a variable I with value 1, then we will write a statement for the while loop. For this we should write like this: while I is less than 11. Okay, the loop will work until the I get the value less than 11. Here we will print and here we will write 2, then we will print sign of multiplication by using capital X, then we will print I, then we will print equal to here, and then we will do some calculation for our answer. Here we will write 2 asterisk I. I think everyone has understand how I have done this. Okay, now let us update the variable. If we will not update the variable here, the loop will work infinite time, because every time it will get the value 1 from the variable I. For this I am writing I is equal to I plus 1. After every working of the first iteration, it will go to second iteration and update the value of I by adding 1 to it. Now let us check our code. Is there error any? This simply prints the table of 2. So we can see the loop is simple. Now let us revise how the loop works. There's an initialization variable. I should write comment here so you can understand. Initialization variable, then condition, for the loop, then the print or output body of the loop, and at last updation of initialized variable. In this way for loop works. Okay, now I have talked about previously that if we will not update the condition, the loop will go infinitely. Let us check by making some changes in this. We will remove the updating value of I iteration from the loop. Okay, we have removed. Here we can see the loop works infinitely because there is no updating value of I. The I again and again gets the value 1 and works with the same value and the condition satisfied. Okay, in this way we can see what are the for loops and while loops in our tutorials. Now in further tutorial we will talk about list, dictionary and etc. For that, bye, like, subscribe and share our channel.